Annual rental. A must-see. This large spacious single-family home offers 3 bedrooms plus loft den with soaring ceilings and an open concept design. The first floor includes a foyer, living and dining area, great room, breakfast bar, kitchen and half bath. Kitchen has been renovated to include granite countertops, tile backsplash and newer appliances. The stairway and second floor offers wood laminate flooring, 2 guest bedrooms, master suite, loft, plenty of closet space. Master bathroom offers her sinks, walk-in shower and garden tub. This beautiful home is located directly across from the clubhouse, where you will find a pool and spa, social room, fitness center, tennis courts and basketball courts. Pets allowed. Owner takes care of lawn. Currently tenant occupied until June 1, 18.